Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna do a science experiment. Do you know air is all around us and it is essential for all living beings. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it. To know more about air, let's do an experiment which explains air occupies space and exerts pressure in all directions. Friends, I have made balloon box. Firstly, the balloon is deflated, so there is no air. Now I will deflate the balloon. And it shows air occupies space. Friends, I have taken a water pool. Remember to balloon gently hit the water. What do we observe? Air in the balloon does not allow the water to go inside. Air escapes in the form of bubbles, which give a push to the boat.
Hooray! Finally, my boat sails. Thank you.